Hey everyone, welcome back. Did Free Fire stop working right after you updated your phone's operating system? Here's the quick fix. First, restart your phone completely. Hold the power button, slide to power off, wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Operating system updates clear temporary conflicts with graphics heavy app like Free Fire, and a full restart clears most of these right away. After restarting, open the App Store or Play Store. Then tap on your profile picture at the top right corner and look for Free Fire in the list of available updates. Since Greenlight typically pushes compatibility patches quickly after major iOS release. Tap update immediately if one is showing, and if there is no update yet, Free Fire is still broken, go to settings, then go to general, then go to storage and find Free Fire to the list of apps. Tap on it, tap offload app, then go to the App Store, search for it and reinstall it fresh to get a clean build for your current iOS version. So all you gotta do is restart your phone, check the store for a Free Fire update and reinstall fresh if needed. Free Fire works on your new OS and that's it. Subscribe.